Hello everyone, good evening. So here we shall give the solutions on the maths test on trigonometric identities, which was held in the last week of May 2025. So in the first question, it is told that if x equals to 2 cos square alpha and y equals to 2 sine square alpha plus 1, then the value of x plus y will be how much, that we have to find out. So here x plus y, that will be equal to 2 cos square alpha plus 2 sine square alpha plus 1. So this will be equal to 2 into cos square alpha plus sine square alpha plus 1. So this will be 2 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. So this will be equal to 3. So 3 answer. Then in question number 2, it has been told that if 3x equals to cosec theta and 3 by x equals to cot theta, then find the value of 3 into x square minus 1 by x square. So now here, therefore x we can write it as cosec theta by 3, and here 1 by x also we can write it as cot theta divided by 3. So we have to find the value of this. So this will be 3 into x square. So x square, so it means I can write cosec theta divided by 3 whole square minus 1 by x square. So 1 by x whole square, so it is cot theta by 3 whole square. So that will be equal to 3 into this is cosec square theta. Cosec square theta divided by 9 minus this is cot square theta divided by 9. So 1 by 9 we can take as common outside. So this will be 3 by 9 into cosec square theta minus cot square theta. Now we know that cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. We know that cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. So therefore, this will be equal to 3 by 9 into 1. So that is 3 by 9, or I can say it is 3 1 are 3, 3 3 are 9. So it is equal to 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 is the correct answer. Then in question number 3, it has been told that if x equals to 3 sine theta plus 4 cos theta and y equals to 3 cos theta minus 4 sine theta, then find the value of x square plus y square. X square plus y square value we have to find out. So now therefore x square plus y square, that will be equal to 3 sine theta plus 4 cos theta whole square plus, that is 3 cos theta minus 4 sine theta whole square. So this will be equal to, now we know that a plus b whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. A minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So this will be 9 sine square theta plus 16 cos square theta plus this is 2 12 into 2, that is 24 sine theta cos theta, 24 sine theta cos theta plus this is 9 cos square theta plus this is 16 sine square theta minus this is 24 sine theta cos theta. So now it means now these two terms will get cancelled. 24 sine theta cos theta, since plus 24 sine theta cos theta and minus 24 sine theta cos theta, so that will get cancelled. So this I can write 9 sine square theta plus 9 cos square theta plus it is 16 cos square theta plus 16 sine square theta. So it means this we can write as 9 into sine square theta plus cos square theta plus this is 16 into cos square theta plus sine square theta. Since why from these two terms we can take this 16 as From last two terms, you can take 16 as common. And from the first two terms, you can take 9 as common. So, and we know that sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So this will be equal to 9 plus 16. So this will be equal to 25. So 25 is the outcome. Then question number 4 has been told that if 7 sine square theta, if 7 sine square theta plus 3 cos square theta, that is equal to 4, then find the value of tan theta. Tan theta value we need to find out. Now we can divide the we can divide the equation by cos square theta, or we can simply solve it. We can say that we know that cos square theta equals to 1 minus sine square theta. We can say that, so this will be 7 sine square theta plus 3 into 1 minus sine square theta, that is equal to 4. So this will be 7 sine square theta plus 3 minus 3 sine square theta, that is equal to 4. So this we can write 7 sine square theta minus 3 sine square theta, that is 4 sine square theta, and that is equal to 4 minus 3. So that is 1. I can say sine square theta, that will be equal to 1 by 4. That means sine theta will be equal to 1 by 2. And theta equal to 1 by 2. So hence I can say that theta will be equal to 30 degrees. Theta is equal to 30 degrees. So therefore tan theta will be equal to tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degrees 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 is the correct answer. Or there is also another way to solve the same question. We can divide both sides, both the left hand side and the right hand side, by cos square theta. And then we will get 7 sine square theta by cos square theta plus 3 into cos square theta by cos square theta, that is equal to 4 by cos square theta. And now cos square, we know that 1 by cos square theta is secant square theta, and sine square theta by cos square theta is tan square theta. So I can write it as 7 tan square theta plus 3, that is equal to 4 secant square theta. And secant square theta, I can write it as 1 plus tan square theta also. So this is also another way to solve, I'm saying. So it is the method 2. This was the method 1. So here we can write this as 7 tan square theta plus 3, that is equal to 4 into 1 plus tan square theta. So I can write as 4 plus 4 tan square theta. So this will be 7 tan square theta minus 4 tan square theta, that would be equal to 4 minus 3. So hence we will get 3 tan square theta, that is equal to 1. So it means tan square theta is 1 by 3, tan square theta is 1 by 3, so tan theta will be 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 is the answer. So in the first method also we can solve, and in the second method also we can solve. In both ways we will get the same final answer. Then in the question number 5, it has been told that if sine A plus sine square A, that is equal to 1, then find the value of cos square A plus cos power 4A. So now this sine square A, I can write it as 1 minus sine A. Or I can write sine A, that is equal to 1 minus sine square A. Now 1 minus sine square A is equal to cos square A. So it means I can write sine A is equal to cos square A. It means sine A is equal to cos square A. So this expression we can write it as this is sine A plus this is cos square A whole square. Since cos power 4A is cos square A whole square. So this is sine A plus sine square A. Now sine A plus sine square A it has been given as 1, so this value also will be equal to 1. So 1 is the required. 1 is not. Then in question number 6, it has been told that if x equals to p sec theta plus q tan theta and y equal to p tan theta plus q sec theta, then we have to prove that x square minus y square, that is equal to p square minus q square. So now, therefore, in the left hand side, it has been told that is x square minus y square. So we have to show that it is equal to the right hand side, which is p square minus q square. Now x is p sec theta plus q tan theta whole square minus y is p tan theta plus q sec theta whole square. Now we know that a plus b whole square is a square. A plus b whole square we know that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this will be equal to p square secant square theta plus q square tan square theta plus this will be 2pq into sec theta tan theta and minus of this will be p square tan square theta plus q square secant square theta plus 2pq tan sec theta tan theta. And then this will be equal to p square secant square theta plus q square tan square theta plus 2pq sec theta tan theta, then minus it is p square tan square theta minus q square secant square theta minus 2pq sec theta tan theta. Now this term will get cancelled since we have plus 2pq sec theta tan theta and minus 2pq sec theta tan theta. These two will get cancelled. And this we can write p square secant square theta minus p square tan square theta. And we have minus q square secant square theta plus q square tan square theta. Now from the first two terms, you can take p square as common and you can write p square into secant square theta minus tan square theta. And from the next two terms, you can take from the last two terms, you can take minus q square as common, and then we will have q square minus q square into secant square theta minus tan square theta. Now we know that secant square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. So this will be equal to p square into 1 minus q square into 1. So it is p square minus q square, which is equal to the right hand side, and hence will be. Then in question number 7, it has been told find the value of theta. Find the value of theta if cos theta by 1 minus sin theta, cos theta by 1 minus sin theta plus cos theta by 1 plus sin theta, that is equal to 4. So now we can take the LCM of 1 minus sin theta and 1 plus sin theta. So that will be 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta. This will be the LCM of these two terms. And in the numerator, we will have cos theta into 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta into, then we will have 1 minus sin theta, and that is equal to 4. So this we can write it as, so this will be cos theta we can take as common from these two terms, and we can say cos theta into 1 plus sin theta plus 1 minus sin theta and divided by, we know that a minus b into a plus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. So 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta, we can write it as 1 minus sin square theta. that is equal to 4. Now 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta. We know that cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta. We know this. So therefore we can say that this will be cos theta divided by cos square theta into, now sin theta will get cancelled since we have plus sin theta and minus sin theta. So they will cancel. And 1 plus 1, that is 2. So that is equal to 4. So therefore now cos theta and 1 cos theta will get cancelled. So we can say 1 by cos theta, 1 by cos theta, that is equal to 4 by 2 is equal to 2. So therefore I can say cos theta will be equal to 1 by 2. Now cos theta is 1 by 2, it means that theta will be equal to 60 degrees. Since why? Since we know that cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Cos 60 degrees is half. So therefore the required value of the angle theta is 60 degrees. So 60 degrees are there. Then in question number 8, it has been told that prove that sin theta plus cosec theta whole square plus cos theta plus sec theta whole square, that is equal to 7 plus tan square theta plus cot square theta. 7 plus tan square theta plus cot square theta. Now, therefore, now the left hand side should be equal to sin theta plus cosec theta whole square, sin theta plus cosec theta whole square, plus this would be cos theta plus sec theta whole square. And cos theta plus sec theta whole square. So therefore, a plus b whole square, we know that is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So I can say this will be sin square theta plus this will be cosec square theta plus this will be 2 into sin theta into cosec theta. Sin theta into cosec theta. And here also cos theta plus sec theta whole square will be cos square theta plus secant square theta plus 2 cos theta sec theta. 2 cos theta into sec theta. Now we know that cosec theta is 1 by sin theta. And we also know that sec theta is 1 by cos theta. So it means that cos theta into sec theta, that will become 1. So they will cancel each other. And then similarly cosec theta is 1 by sin theta. So sin theta into cosec theta will be equal to 1. Sin theta into cosec theta will be 1. So I can cancel sin theta and cosec theta. So this will be equal to sin square theta plus I can write this is cos square theta plus this is 2 plus 2, that is 4, plus cosec square theta plus secant square theta. Now sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So 1 plus 4 plus, now we also know that cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. And secant square theta we know that is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Now these two formulas. The cosec square theta is 1 plus cot square theta and secant square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. So cosec square theta is 1 plus cot square theta and plus secant square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. So this will be equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3, 3 plus 4, that is 7. So 7 plus tan square theta plus cot square theta, which is equal to the right hand side. So hence proof. Then in question number 9, it has been told that if it is given that cos theta, so this is given, it is given that cos theta plus sin theta, that is equal to root 2 cos theta. Then we have to prove that, or we have to show that cos theta minus sin theta, that is equal to root 2 sin theta, equal to root 2 sin theta. So now, so let us take that cos theta minus sin theta, that is equal to x. So if we can find, so if we can show that x is root 2 sine theta, then only we can prove the given statement. So let cos theta plus minus sine theta is equal to x. Now if we square these two and if we add them, let's say we take this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. And so if we square them and we add them, means if we square the equation 1 on both sides and we add it to the square of the second equation also, then we will get this is cos theta plus sine theta whole square plus, so we have to square the left hand side and we have to add it to the left hand side of this. So plus cos theta minus sine theta whole square. So that will be equal to root 2 cos theta whole square plus x square. So now we can square it. So a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab, and a minus b whole square is a square, a minus b whole square, we know that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So then if you square this, we will get cos square theta plus sine square theta plus 2 sine theta cos theta, and then this will be cos theta cos square theta plus sine square theta minus 2 sine theta cos theta. That is equal to 2 cos square theta plus x square. So now this one, this 2 plus 2 sine theta cos theta and minus 2 sine theta cos theta, these two will get cancelled. And cos square theta plus sine square theta is 1, and cos square theta plus sine square theta here it is also 1. So this is 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2 cos square theta plus x square. So therefore we can say that this will be 2 minus 2 cos square theta, that is equal to x square. So I can say x square will be equal to 2 into 1 minus cos square theta. And from these two terms, you can take 2 as common outside. These two terms you can take 2 as common outside. So, and you know that 1 minus cos square theta is sine square theta. This will be equal to x square will be equal to 2 sine square theta. So therefore, x will be equal to root over 2 sine theta. Sine theta. So hence, is prove that the value of cos theta minus sin theta is root 2 sin theta. So then in question number 10, it has been told that we have to prove that cos A divided by 1 minus sin A, or cos A by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A divided by cos A, that is equal to 2 sec A. Now, therefore, we should start from the left hand side. So the left hand side is told that it is cos A by 1 plus sin A. 1 plus 1 plus sin A by cos A. Plus sin A by cos A. So then we have to take the LCM of the denominators. The LCM of the denominator, that is cos A into 1 plus sin A. And then in the numerator, we will have cos A into cos A, that is cos square A plus 1 plus sin A whole square. Now, if we simplify the numerator, then we have cos square A plus 1 plus sin A whole square will be A plus 1 plus sin square A plus 2 sin A divided by cos A into 1 plus sin A. Now, here cos square A plus sin square A, we can tell it as equal to 1. Since cos square A plus sin square A, we know that is equal to 1. So this would be 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. So 2 plus 2 sin A divided by cos A into 1 plus sin A. Now, from these two terms, we can take 2 as common. So then we will have 2 into 1 plus sin A divided by cos A into 1 plus sin A. So 1 plus sin A will get cancelled, then we have 2 by cos A. Now 1 by cos A, that is equal to sec A. That is equal to 2 sec A, which is equal to the right hand side. So hence then in the question number 11, it is told to prove that tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta, that is equal to 1 plus tan theta plus cot theta. So now, therefore, left hand side, start from left hand side. Left hand side will be tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus it is cot theta divided by 1 minus tan theta. Now this will be equal to tan theta by 1 minus cot theta is 1 by tan theta plus cot theta, this will be 1 by tan theta divided by this will be 1 minus tan theta. Now, if we take the LCM here, then we have tan theta by, so will be tan theta minus 1 by tan theta. And this 1 minus tan theta, I can also write it as minus of tan theta minus 1. So then we can write this as minus of 1 by tan theta into tan theta minus 1. Now this tan theta will go up, so then this will become tan square theta divided by tan theta minus 1 minus is 1 by tan theta into tan theta minus 1. Now we have to take the LCM of the denominators. LCM of the denominators. So this will be tan theta into tan theta minus 1. And then in the numerator, we will have this will be tan square theta into tan theta. So it is tan cube theta minus 1 by tan theta into tan theta. So this will be, now we know that a cube minus b cube, that is equal to, yeah, hello, why? Class is going on here. A, so a cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So this will be tan theta minus 1 into tan square theta plus this will be tan theta into 1. So that is tan theta plus 1 divided by tan theta into tan theta minus 1. So this tan theta minus 1 will get cancelled, and then we will have this will be equal to tan square theta plus tan theta plus 1 divided by tan theta. So this will be equal to tan square theta by tan theta, that is tan theta plus tan theta by tan theta, that is 1 plus 1 by tan theta, that is cot theta. So which is equal to the right hand side. So hence proof. So hence proof. And then in the question number 12 has been told, question number 12 it has been told that it is given that if 1 plus sine square theta, that is equal to 3 sine theta cos theta, 3 sine theta cos theta, 3 sine theta cos theta, then 3 sine theta cos theta, then show that we have to prove that we have to prove that tan theta equals to 1 or 1 by 2. 1 or 1 by 2. Now here what we can do, we can divide both sides by cos square theta. Then we can divide both sides of the equation, divide both sides of the given equation by cos square theta. Then we will get that 1 by cos square theta plus sin square theta divided by cos square theta, that is equal to 3 sin theta cos theta divided by cos square theta. So now this 1 by cos square theta will be secant square theta, and plus sin square theta by cos square theta is tan square theta, plus this will be cos theta will cancel, and sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. So this will be equal to 3 tan theta. And we also know that secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So this will be equal to 1 plus tan square theta plus tan square theta, that is 2 tan square theta, that is equal to 3 tan theta. And then this will be equal to 2 tan square theta. We can write as 2 tan square theta minus 3 tan theta plus 1, that is equal to 0. Then we can say that we can write minus 3 tan theta as minus 2 tan theta minus tan theta also. So this will be 2 tan square theta minus 2 tan theta minus tan theta plus 1, that is equal to 0. Then from the first two terms, we can take 2 tan theta as common, and this will be 2 tan theta into tan theta minus 1. And from the last two terms, we can take minus 1 as common, and then we will have minus 1 into tan theta minus. Then we see go outside. Minus 1 into tan theta minus 1. That will be equal to 2 tan theta minus 1 into tan theta minus 1, that is equal to 0. So then we can say that 2 tan theta minus 1 can be 0, or tan theta minus 1 can be 0. So then 2 tan theta it will be equal to 1, or I can say tan theta will be equal to 1. So hence I can say tan theta will be equal to 1, or I can say 1 by 2. So hence proved. Hence proved. Then in the question number 13, it has been told to prove that you have to prove that cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by cos A plus sin A cos A plus sin A minus 1, that is equal to cosec A, that is equal to cosec A plus cot A. Sorry, simply okay, cosec A plus cot A. So now therefore we can start from the left hand side. So left hand side it is told this is cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1. Now what we can do, we can divide the numerator and the denominator by cos A. We can divide the numerator and the denominator by sin A. And sin A. So this also divided by sin A we can do. So then we will have, this will be cos A by sin A minus sin A by sin A, sin A by sin A, plus this is 1 by sin A. Divided by this will be cos A by sin A, cos A by sin A, plus this will be sin A divided by sin A, minus this is 1 by sin A. Now cos A by sin A, that will be equal to cot A, minus sin A by sin A, that is 1, plus 1 by sin A, that is cosec A. divided by this will be cos A by sin A, that is equal to cot A, plus sin A by sin A, that is 1, minus 1 by sin A, that is cosec A. Now, this 1 in the numerator, the 1 in the numerator can be written as cosec square A minus cot square A also. Since we know that cosec square A minus cot square A is equal to 1, we know this. So therefore, the 1 in the numerator, we will write as cosec square A minus cot square A. So this will be cot A plus cosec A. Cot A plus cosec A minus this would be cosec square A minus cot square A divided by this would be cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. So then this will be cot A plus cosec A, cot A plus cosec A minus this. You know that A square minus B square, we can write it as A plus B into A minus B. So this cosec square A minus cot square A will be cosec A plus cot A into cosec A minus cot A. This will be cosec A plus cot A into cosec A minus cot A. So that divided by this will be cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. So now this will be equal to cot A plus cosec A, cot A plus cosec A into this will be 1 minus of cosec A minus cot A. Since from the first two, from these two terms, we can take cot A plus cosec A as common outside, and that will be into 1 minus cosec A minus cot A divided by this will be cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Now this we can write it as cot A plus cosec A into this would be, if we open the bracket here, so this would be 1 minus cosec A plus cot A. And in the denominator also we have the same thing. We have 1 minus cosec A plus cot A. So hence these two terms will get cancelled, and then that will be equal to cosec A plus cot A. Cosec A plus cot A, which is equal to the right hand term. So hence we. Then in the last question, question number 14, question number 14, it has been told to prove that we have to prove that 2 into sine power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta minus 3 into sine power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta plus 1, that is equal to 0. So this we have to prove that. So this is equal to 0, that is prove. Now we know that a square plus b square, that can be written as a plus b whole square minus 2ab, and a cube plus b cube can be written as a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b. We know this. So now therefore in the left hand side it is given 2 into sine power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta minus is 3 into sine power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta plus 1. Now this sine power 6 theta can be written as sine square theta whole cube, and cos power 6 theta can be written as cos square theta whole cube, minus 3 into this sine power 4 theta can be written as sine square theta whole square plus cos power 4 theta can be written as cos square theta whole square plus 1. Now this one, so if you take A as sine square theta and B as cos square theta, then this will be A cube plus B cube. So this can be written as A plus B whole cube, which means it is sine square theta plus cos square theta whole cube, A plus B whole cube minus of 3ab. So 3 into sine square theta into cos square theta into a plus b. So a plus b. So that will be sine square theta plus cos square theta. Then minus 3 into, we have a square plus b square. Since we took a as sine square theta and b as cos square theta, then so cos sine square theta is a, cos square theta is b. So a square plus b square will be a plus b whole square, and sine square theta plus cos square theta whole square minus 2ab. So minus 2 sine square theta into cos square theta plus 1. Now sine square theta plus cos square theta, we know that is equal to 1 only. Sine square theta plus cos square theta, that is equal to 1. So now therefore, so this will be 2 into sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So 1 cube minus 3 into sine square theta into cos square theta into 1. And minus 3 into, this will be 1 square minus 2 into sine square theta into cos square theta. Then then plus 1. So if you now simplify it, then we will have 2 minus 2 into 3, 6 sine square theta cos square theta minus 3 plus 6 sine square theta cos square theta and plus 1. So minus sine square theta into cos square theta and plus sine square theta cos square theta. So these two will get cancelled. And then we will have 2 minus 3 plus 1. So this is 2 plus 1, 3. 3 minus 3, that is equal to 0, which is equal to the right hand side. So hence 2. So hope all of you understood the solutions of all these 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 questions on the trigonometric identity. It is math test which was held in the last week of May. Still, any doubts if you have, please write that in the comments. This will obviously clarify. And please install our Sapience education application also, where we shall upload the solutions of all math tests, which shall be obviously helpful for your exam. So thank you everyone. Thank you everyone.